Welcome back everybody. Today I have another cool tool review video for you today. We'll be reviewing the BAIKEMON Miter Saw. Let's head on over to the workshop. Brushless miter saw, compatible with 20V DEWALT batteries. Awesome. Sawdust bag, our hold down clamp. Comes with an 8 1/4 40-tooth TCT blade. 2 workpiece support. And the moment we've been waiting for, our miter saw. First thing I noticed when I lift the box, this miter saw comes in at 37 pounds, which makes it easy to move around the workshop or take it to the job site. Look at that. This is a very beautiful miter saw. Check this out. It already has a blade connected to it. You get 2 brand new blades. That's awesome. Our handle comes with a rubber grip. On the back side is our on and off switch, left and right lock switch, which is a great safety feature because you cannot turn on your unit without pressing your lock switch. Our guide rails, saw blade guard, which is removable. 20 years experience, the only time I remove the saw blade guard is only when I'm replacing the blade. And when you're done, put it back on. Safety first. And on the underside of your blade, we have our laser. Awesome. On the back side, you have your vertical angle scale. We also have a aluminum fence. Let's check with our magnet. Yep, it's aluminum. To adjust your fence, you turn these knobs, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, to make your adjustments. This next feature is pretty cool. This miter saw comes with a tilt lock. This way your miter saw doesn't tilt forward. It's a nice feature when you're working on an extended table if you don't own a miter saw stand. Miter saw table insert is 30 centimeters, which will be 11.81 inches. And that'll be under the 12-inch mark. Miter saw angle indicator, which already comes calibrated to 0. Lots of budget miter saws typically use printed label for their miter scale. But this miter angle scale, your numbers are raised from the surface of the metal, which that will last basically as long as you own the tool. Our rotating table, miter lock, just turn it. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Left and right workpiece support. In the box, you will find your hardware. The Allen key they provide has a fill-up on one end. Hold down clamp, which could be used on either side. On the back side, we have our drag lock. When you're traveling with your miter saw, you want to lock that up again. Sawdust bag, just squeeze these 2 tabs. On the very top here, we have our on and off laser switch. On the back side, we have here our depth limit screw. For those that don't know, you put your piece in. If you only want to cut halfway, you set your depth limit screw to how far down you want to make your cut. On the back, we have our transport lock. Also on the back, we have our tilt lock lever. And the moment we've been waiting for, we're going to test this out with some DEWALT batteries. I have here 20V DEWALT 5-hour battery. Also a 6-hour FLEXVOLT lithium-ion battery. We'll test the 5-hour battery first. our laser. Let's check our first cut to ensure the miter saw is calibrated. And we are squared. Let's remove our 5-hour battery and install our flex. It's a perfect fit. Well, you saw it here. It works great with DEWALT batteries. I received an order to build a 30-foot planter box, which is going up against a privacy fence, so I only have to build the front and the 2 sides. So let me start planing some of these boards so we could cut them down to size with our new miter saw. Good morning. It's the next day and I'm just laying out all the parts of the planter box to make sure I have everything. I accidentally made a whole extra panel because I thought it was a 30-foot planter box and it actually wasn't. It was only 24. And here's the extra one. So these will be the tops, but I'll cut that at the work site. I just have to pick up a little bit of hardware and 2 4x4s. Then I have everything I need for this project. Here's what we're working with. We are going to build the planter box all the way down. I got a call that someone's trying to sell a house and they need to install a railing, so I'll be taking this miter saw to the work site today. Let's go to work. We need to build a railing all the way down to prevent someone from falling. Let's get to it. I just got a phone call. Someone wants a custom planter box, so I'm gonna make it right now. Well, there you have it. You saw me put this miter saw to the test. I did several jobs with it, made some decent money. There's nothing like not having to take that long extension cord with you and asking the customer, can I plug this in? Or having a loud generator running in the background and disturbing all the neighbors when you show up at the job site 7:30 in the morning. Battery operated power tools have come a long way. And I put this miter saw to the test. I abused it. I had it in the scorching sun for numerous hours. It performed fantastic. I give this miter saw a 10 out of 10. Get your BAIKEMON miter saw today. Links in the description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon. And I'll see you on the next tool review video. You have yourself a good one. Thanks for watching.